Good morning, children. After a long time duration, we have a chance once again. We have a chance to meet through the YouTube class. Thank to our Almighty God and next to our correspondent sir. I hope you are doing well and good. Thank you, children. Now, I am going to give a just about voice forms. Voice forms, it is classified into two types, active and passive. Active. In this active form, the subject can do the verb. That is, the doer of the action is active form, and another one is passive. In this passive form, the object can act like a subject. The object can act like a subject. Okay, let me give some of the simple sentences in this form. After that, I'll explain about some other sentences. First one, simple present tense. I eat an apple today. I eat. Eat, it comes under simple present tense. In this present tense, active into passive, eat is changed into is plus third column. That comes under V3 or past participle. You should know the rules of, before that, you should know the rules of the voice forms. Active into passive. Simple present tense is plus past participle, and suppose if the sentence is in the form of I am plus, it changed into am plus past participle. Suppose if the sentence is in the form of he, she, it, third person singular, you should add is plus past participle. Suppose if the sentence is in the form of plural, you should change into are plus past participle. It's meant for simple present tense. Then next one, simple past tense. For that, singular was plus past participle and plural form were plus past participle. You have to keep the keywords or rules in your mind, just like a maths formulae. Without formulae, you can't do anything. Without formulae, you can't do anything in maths. Like, without knowing the rules for each and every grammar, without knowing the rules, you can't do any grammar exercise. So for that purpose, you should memorize the tabular column which I have given in the board. The next one, simple future. I will be plus past participle and plural form we and they shall be plus past participle. And present continuous, he, she, it, third person singular is being plus past participle, and for plural are being plus present past participle. And then past continuous, he, she, it was being plus past participle, and plural form we and they were being plus past participle. Continuous for the two present continuous and past continuous, you have to keep it in your mind. Being, iruttal, irundu kondu, the action which is happening continuously, that is in the form of, suppose if the sentence is ing, if you see an ing form in that, are being should be added, keeping it in your mind. Are being, be forms, iruttal சொல்றது தான் be forms, being, irundu kondu. Then present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Perfect means the action just now completed. Perfect. Perfect means pakka. Something has happened, pakka, that is perfect. In the present perfect formation, He, she, it, third person singular, he, she, it. It should be changed into has been plus past participle and plural form have been plus past participle. And for past perfect, all the singular and plural had been plus past participle. All the forms should be changed into had been plus past participle. And the last one, future perfect. Suppose if the given sentence is I, you should change into will have been plus past participle. And for plural form, we shall have been plus past participle. Out of 12 tenses, only 8 tense forms have the other change of passive forms. Other 4 tenses, you need not worry about that. What the sentences given in the chart, only this type has the change of passive voice. Only 8 tenses, simple present, past, future, and 2 continuous forms, present continuous and past continuous, and then 3 perfect forms. Only 8 tenses has the active and passive formation changes. Only this much is enough for this class. Now, let me explain about the example sentences. First one, I eat an apple. I eat an apple. Eat, it is a simple present tense. Subject, verb and object. What I told you in the previous time, an object should act like a subject. So here what is the object? An apple. An apple. An apple. Third person singular. So an apple is plus past participle. An apple is eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. An apple is eaten by me today. Otherwise, you can write an apple is eaten today by me. Both the 2 types of sentences are also correct. Okay, it's clear? The next one, I ate an apple. Why should I write like this? Because suppose if a same sentence is keeping in your memory, that will easily that will not be forget in your mind. So that's why I have written like this. Then second one, past form. I ate an apple. Past tense. So for the past formation, what is the verb form changed? The change of verb is was plus past participle. Was plus third column or was plus V3. Here also the object is an apple. An apple was plus third column. Was plus third column. Eat, ate, eaten. For each and every word you should say like this. Then you can't forget anything. Okay. An apple was eaten by me. What is the other word? Remaining word? Yesterday. Or you can write an apple was eaten yesterday by me. That is also right. The next one, I will eat an apple tomorrow. Will eat, future. So what is the verb formation for future? What is the change of sentences? Will be plus the column. Will be plus the column. So here you can write like this. An apple will be plus third column. Will be eaten by me tomorrow. Will be eaten by me tomorrow. You can change into tomorrow, the next day or the following day. You should change it to in the direct or indirect only, not in the voice forms. Some of you may have doubt, Madam, how shall I write the tomorrow into like this? Tomorrow into the next day or like that. You need not worry about that. The conjuration must be changed in the form direct or indirect only, not in the voice forms. Okay, is it clear? All the three sentences. Then fourth one, Raghu is drawing a picture. Is plus verb plus ing. Is plus verb plus ing. So it is a present continuous. So present continuous, there it should be changed into is plus being plus third column. Here the object is picture. A picture is being. A picture is being. Then V3 draw, drew, drawn. D-R-A-W-N, drawn. A picture is being drawn by Raghu. By Raghu. Is being drawn. Okay. The next one, suppose if the sentence comes like this, Raghu is drawing many pictures. Many pictures. Then you have to change the sentences. Many pictures are being drawn. Many pictures are being. That is plural. So you should add R. A-R-E-R. The next one, Raghu was drawing a picture. Was plus verb plus ing form. Was plus verb plus ing form. A picture was being plus third column drawn. V3 drawn. Was being drawn. A picture was being drawn by Raghu. By Raghu. Suppose if the sentence, if the given sentence is in the form of plural pictures, you should write into they are being drawn. They are being drawn. Then the last three one, perfect forms. Present perfect and past perfect and future perfect. Perfect. In the form of perfect sentences, you should add being in between he has and V3 form. A had and V3 form. You should add being. Radha is submitted the assignment. Here the object is the assignment. The assignment has been submitted. Has been submitted by Radha. By Radha. Then the next one, Radha has submitted. Here also you need not worry about past perfect. Simply you change into had subject had submitted into had been submitted. The assignment had been submitted by Radha. By Radha. Then the last one is Radha will have submitted the assignment. The assignment will have been submitted by Radha. By Radha. I can give a clue to you. If you see the active voice, suppose if you are seeing the sentence in the form of only one tense, eat. Here, in the passive form, it should come as two words. This is the blind way of memorizing the keywords. Here, one word is coming, suppose in the tense, in the form, you should change into two words. Here too, will ride. It will be changed into will be eaten too. Here 3 words should come. Suppose here 3 words in the passive form 4 words. Vice versa, 4 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 1. This is a short way or a blind way, not as per the rule, but it is a short way to keep it in your memory. Okay, is it clear, students? Shall we try some other sentences? Okay, pass.
2.
Welcome back, students. Let me explain some more examples. Here, see the first sentence. Mala writes a story. Here, story is an object. So, the object is changed into subject in the passive form. A story. Writes, present form. So, present form is changed into is plus past participle. Is plus past participle. A story is written by Mala. A story is written by Mala. By, you should keep it in your mind. By all. Mala all. Then second one, they play carom board. They play. What is the tense form? Yes, it is a simple present tense. They plural form. Carom board. They play carom board. Carom board is act like a subject. Carom board is played by them. Avargalal. They is changed into them. They is changed into them. He bought a Hero Honda bike. A Hero Honda bike. Bought is a simple past tense. So simple past tense, it should change into was plus takal or was plus past participle. A Hero Honda bike. A Hero Honda bike was bought by him. By him. The next one, I drew a picture. I drew. If you have any doubt regarding this, you say it in your mind. Draw, drew, drawn. So the sentence is simple past tense. So simple past tense, we should change into was plus past participle. A picture was drawn by me. A picture was drawn by me. My uncle will buy. Will buy is a future tense. Future should change into will be plus past participle. Will be plus past participle. So the sentence must be changed like this. A new car will be bought by my uncle. A new car will be bought by my uncle. Bought by my uncle. I shall see a movie very soon. Very soon. With the help of the very soon. சீக்கிரம் வரப்போகுது earlier அந்த மாதிரி சொல்றது. Or with the help of the shall, you can come to a conclusion. This is future tense. Simple future. I shall see a movie very soon. Here the object is a movie. A movie will be. A movie will be seen very soon by me or will be seen by me very soon. Both the sentences are correct. Why should you change? See the next sentence. I shall see a movie very soon. from the word very soon, you can come to a conclusion. It is a future tense. Are with the help of the shall plus verb, you can have an idea. Are moving here in this sentence. Are movie is the object. A movie, the object is act like a subject. A movie will be plus seen. Why should we change into will be? If I and only for I and we, you should write shall plus verb. But in the other form, you should change into will be plus third column. Will be plus third column. So keep this point in your mind. The next one, they are painting the building. Here, are plus verb plus ing form. So, present continuous. Present continuous. The sentence is in the form of present continuous. Here the object, the building. The building. Are the building. Because they, so we are writing are plus verb plus ing form. But the building is a singular. So you should change it to is. The building is. Then being ing form, you should write or add being. The building is being painted by them. By them. They changed into them. They changed into them. Then the last one, last sentence. I have sent an email. Have sent. Have plus third column, has plus third column. You should keep it in your mind. It is a present perfect sentence. Present perfect. An email. An email. An email. Here in the sentence they have written like I have. For I and be have should come. But for it has. Email is it. So you should change into has. An email has sent. Has plus third column has sent. In the passive form you should add be. An email has been sent by me. By me. These are the examples. These are the sentences in the basic form. But for your higher level, some more examples are there in the form of question formation or order formation, let and where, like that. We have so many sentences like that. But this is enough for today. This is enough for today. I'll give you some of the sentences as homework. You do it in your home individually. Suppose if you have any doubt regarding that, you can send me through the class group. You can ask doubt through our class group. Thank you, children. Students, please note down the following given homework in your notebook. Let me explain it in a few minutes. Sheila draws the picture. The sentence is simple, present tense. And my mom is preparing present continuous. Mala wrote. This one is past tense. Our teacher has given present perfect. The next one, fifth one, the cars are sold by the company. The sentence is in the form of passive voice. So you should change into active voice. It's given in the bracket into active voice. Are sold. Are plus third column. So what is the word comes in the active voice? You should keep it in your mind. In the rules formation. Results have been given by. From the word by itself you can have an idea that sentences in the form of passive voice you should change it into active voice. The tourist had been guided by the policeman. Had been plus third column, that is a past perfect. It should change into past perfect. Past perfect means had plus third column. Past perfect, had plus third column. So you should change it. Strike out the word be and change the sentences. The orphan will be helped by the donor. By will be helped. Will be plus third column. So you should change it into simple future. Simple future. The ninth one. The spider scared her. The spider scared her. Scared. Simple past tense. We should change into passive voice. Active into passive voice. So was plus third column or were plus third column. Anyone. Then last one. The biscuit was eaten by the child. The biscuit was eaten. Was plus third column. So was plus third column or were plus third column. It should change into simple past form. These are the keys I have given you. You can take a photo shot from the YouTube class and do the work completely. It should consider as your homework for the next class. Let us just discuss about the question type or order formation in the next class. Thank you, children.